Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Ace Car Rental, a company that's been serving drivers around the world for decades. If you're planning a trip, a vacation, or you simply need a temporary ride, Ace is one of those names you've probably come across. But the question is, how good is it really? Is it affordable? Is it reliable? And most importantly, is it worth choosing in 2025 compared to other rental companies? Stick with me until the end of this video. Let's get started. Ace was founded back in 1966 in Indianapolis, USA, making it one of the oldest players in the car rental industry. What sets Ace apart from many of the big name brands is that it runs on a franchise and affiliate-based model. Instead of owning all its locations directly, Ace partners with independent rental companies, which allows them to expand into more destinations and often keep costs lower than some of the larger international chains. Today, Ace Car Rental has grown into a network of over 350 locations in more than 45 countries, including the United States, Canada, South America, Europe, Australia, and parts of Asia. This makes it especially attractive for travelers looking for budget-friendly options in both popular tourist spots and lesser-known regions. Another interesting part of Ace's business model is that it tends to focus on affordable, no-frills rentals. Unlike some premium car rental brands that emphasize luxury fleets, Ace's biggest draw is value for money. They're well known for offering lower daily rates, especially compared to heavyweights like Hertz, Avis, or Enterprise. Now, because of the franchise model, the customer experience can vary from location to location. Some branches may feel like small, family-run businesses with very personalized service, while others may feel more corporate. This is both a strength and a weakness, and it's something you want to keep in mind as we move through this review. So in short, Ace Car Rental is a budget-friendly, wide-reaching rental brand with decades of history and a global footprint. Best suited for travelers who want savings without necessarily needing all the bells and whistles of premium rental agencies. Now let us talk about the main features of Ace. Wide range of vehicle options. Ace provides everything from economy cars for budget travelers to SUVs, vans and trucks for families or group trips, and in some locations even luxury cars. Global network. With hundreds of branches worldwide, Ace makes it easier for travelers to book both in major cities and in smaller destinations where some of the bigger brands don't always operate. Budget-friendly pricing. Affordability is one of Ace's major selling points. Daily rental rates are often lower than larger rental companies, and they frequently run promotions, discounts, and loyalty offers. Affiliate partnerships. Since many Ace branches are independently operated, you sometimes get more flexible and localized customer service compared to giant rental brands. Easy online booking. Their website is simple and straightforward. You can look up a reservation, you can find a car to pick you up using the search bar on the topmost part of the website. And there's a rewards program. There's a member rewards program. Well, it's not as big as Hertz Gold or Avis Preferred, but it's a nice bonus for loyal customers. Now let us talk about the pricing. Prices are not clearly visible on the Ace Car Rental platform. You'd have to make a request before you can get a custom-made pricing. But typically, daily rental rates range from between $20 to $30 per day if it's an economy car, and if it's an SUV or a larger car, it might range from $50 to $80 per day. Another thing to keep in mind is because of its franchise model, the fees such as young driver surcharges, airport pickup charges, or fuel policies can vary by location. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Ace Car Rental. First, the pros. Very affordable rates compared to major brands. It has large international presence with over 350 locations. There are a variety of vehicle types and it's simple and easy to use. There's also a rewards program for members who are loyal. And the cons? Service quality varies depending on the franchise location. And depending on the location, additional fees can add up if you're not careful with insurance and extras. Some branches may have older vehicles in their fleets compared to competitors. So after looking at everything, is Ace Car Rental a good choice in 2025? Well, the answer really depends on what kind of traveler you are. If you're the type of person who prioritizes saving money, then Ace is one of the best choices on the market. The company has decades of experience, a wide network, and genuinely competitive pricing that beats many of the big name rental companies. Well, that said, Ace is not perfect. The franchise model means that your experience can be amazing in one city and not so great in the other. But overall, I'd say Ace Car Rental is a solid budget-friendly option for 2025. As long as you're able to carefully read the terms and conditions for your chosen location, you'll likely have a smooth experience. And that's it on the review of Ace Car Rental. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Enterprise Rent-A-Car, Hertz, and Sixt Rent-A-Car. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.